Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Hi, sir. Tell me any channel names for learning web development from scratch to become a professional. Okay. For me, the best places to learn web development from scratch is two places, Coursera and EDX. Okay. If you go to amitpatels.com, and on that there is a resources page, you will see all the information about various courses. I've created a PDF in which I've mentioned various courses, even courses on web development, which are available on Coursera or EDX. They start from beginner level courses and they go up to a senior level courses. So you can look at that, Arslan. If you are still on the chat or if you see this video later on, then you can certainly look at this sources. They are available on amitpatels.com/resources. If you want to go to amitpatels.com on my YouTube channel, you will see on the top that there are links to my channel. So you can go from there and find out. Okay. So, everyone, thank you very much for attending this live. Spread the word around for this channel. These lives are happening 3 hours long. I'm trying to bring as much information as possible with every live. And see you on the next live on Thursday, 9 5 p.m. Thank you very much.